Hi guys, in this video we're going to have a look at prime numbers and how we can find them. So the first thing we need to have a look at here is what is a prime or a prime number. So a prime number only has two factors, one and itself. If you're unsure what a factor is, you can have a look at my factors video. But that's what makes it a prime number, and it has only two factors, one and itself. And the big question that people always ask is one a prime number? And it is not a prime number, okay? The reason being is to be a prime number, as we've just said, you need to have two factors. The number one only has one factor, one, okay? So that's why it's not a prime number, because you need to have two factors. So here's a list of numbers 1 to 100. And I'm going to cross off 1 straight away. 1 is not a prime number. Let's have a look at number 2. Number 2 is prime, and it's the only even prime number. The only factors that 2 has is 1 and 2, so 1 and itself. So 2 is a prime number, and as I say, it's the only even one. So because 2 is a prime number, I'm now going to get rid of all the numbers that are in the 2 times table. So I'm going to get rid of 4 because 4 is not prime, because 2 will be a factor. 6 won't be prime because again 2 is a factor. Neither will 8, neither will 10, and 12, and 14, and so on. So basically all the even numbers, and you might have guessed it, they're all going to be down these columns already. All these numbers that are even are not going to be prime because 2 will be a factor. So I'm just going to cross them all off. They are not prime numbers. Just bear with me a second, get these all done. And the last column here, all these have got 2 as a factor, so they're definitely not going to be prime. Okay, next one to have a look at is 3. Now again, 3 is prime. It's only got 2 factors, 1 and 3, so 3 is prime. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get rid of all the numbers that are in the 3 times table, because obviously 3 will be a factor. Well, 6 is already gone. There's 9, 1, 2, 3. 12 is already gone. 1, 2, 3, so 15. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's already gone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, hang on, what have I gone wrong here? So they've got that one there, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So okay, so I've got rid of all the numbers that are in the 3 times table. And next one, 5. Well, 5 is going to be prime, because I've only got 2 factors, 1 and 5, so I'm going to get rid of everything in the 5 times table. So obviously 10 and obviously 20, all these are going to be in the 5 times table, and everything ending in a 5 is going to be in the 5 times table. So I can get rid of those really easy as well. And then last one here is 7. Okay, so 7 is a prime number. Again, only got 2 factors, 1 and 7, so that's going to be prime. I'm going to get rid of everything in the 7 times table. So 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, so that's another one, 56, 63, obviously 70, 77, I'm going to have 84, I'm going to have 91, and then of course that's it for there. So what's left now should be all the prime numbers. So 11 only has 2 factors, 1 and 11. Same with 13. Same with 17 and 19. And I've got 23. I've got 29. Obviously we've got 31 and 37. 41, 43, and 47, 53 and 59, 61 and 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Okay, so they're all the prime numbers between 1 and 100. So as you can see, if you're ever unsure if a number is prime, obviously numbers 1 to 100, if 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor, or 7 is a factor, then it won't be prime. And if these numbers don't go into it, then it's probably it's going to be a prime number, as you can see here. Okay, so if you're ever unsure, check for those 4 numbers, and if they're not factors, you have got a prime number. Okay, so hopefully that helps. You spot how what prime numbers are, or even just listing them out there for the future. Thanks for watching, guys.